So how do we actually make and use the Foxparks harness in Palworld? So the first thing we need to do is to go to technology here, as you can see, and then we're going to unlock the Foxparks harness here if you haven't already done so. After you have unlocked it, then there is one more thing we need to do, and that is to build one of those right here. So we actually have to unlock this as well, I believe. Let's see. Yep, here it is, the Palgear workbench. So you have to unlock it and then you have to build it. You can see it takes 10 Paldium fragments, 30 wood, and 2 cloths right here. So once you have built it, then you're just going to select it and you can see here's the Foxparks harness. So to make it, you need 3 leather, 5 flame organ, and 5 Paldium fragments here. So just make it here. It's going to take you a couple of seconds. And the flame things, yeah, you have to fight the Foxparks to be able to get it. And the same goes with the leather. I believe Foxparks do drop them. I have seen it a couple of times. So yeah, you just have to find them. And if you don't know where to find the Foxparks, I have a video about it as well. So you can check it out on my channel after this if you want to. But here I was able to get it now. So now what we need to do, we're going to grab our Foxpark here, and then I have to click, because I'm using the PlayStation 5. You can see Huggy Fire, I think it's called. I have to click and hold the square here, and now I can use it. You can see. So once I pick it up, I can now use it right here, which is pretty cool. So yeah, basically that is exactly how to do this.